All right, so this is gonna be the last time old girl is running with the motor. The lights are lit up, but I think the batteries are about shot in this thing. Let's see here, see if she'll fire. I don't think so. Definitely not. All right, so I'm gonna pop the hood and jump start her. Let's see here, I might just let you guys hang out right here. Hook them up to this battery. All right. I think we got good connections. Let's give her a try. Started in probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks maybe. It's about 39, 40 degrees right now. It's not super cold, but without a grid heater, all that good jazz. I mean, I think she started up we're gonna let her warm up for just a quick minute and then take her for the last rip. Starting to get dark on us here. 5% window tint sure don't help it though. All right, catch the ditch, get by the neighbor, and rock out. Sort of feels like we're either our tuning is on 0 or it's just not working right now. I'm not sure. I haven't driven this thing in forever. She doesn't have quite the get up and go that it once did, it feels like. Oh, and 5th gear is gone. Well, it's not gone, but it's, I mean, it's gone obviously. 5th gear nut has left the chat for the 2nd time. Let's see if the Quadzilla will link up to it or not. Let's turn our Wi-Fi on. Or maybe it's Bluetooth. I can't remember. Maybe. I thought it was Wi-Fi. Let's check the Wi-Fi one more time. There we go. Hooking up. Gotta let her initialize. Yeah, see, so it says 0 down at the bottom of the screen. So we are at 0. Turn it up to 1, which is the valet mode. We're gonna turn her up. Let's rip this thing. Okay. Okay, 2nd gear. Oh, there we go. There's all the horse torques. He was doing a 1-wheel peel there. Just gonna do a 3rd gear start. factory turbo on this sucker. So we got 200 horse injectors, Quadzilla, and just a air dog. That's all it is. But Quadzilla tuning is pretty legit, and this isn't even as good as it gets. So just turn around and man, I see, like, that's why I hate to tear this thing apart. See if we can. I hate going from second to third, but I'm gonna give her a try here. Let's do a good burnout real quick here. It's gonna be a one-wheel peel, I know it, but there's a third gear. We go. Oh boy. 53 block all day. Alright, that's enough. I don't want to blow it up just yet. We got to get this bad Larry in the Jeep. It's a bit cold. I don't know if you see my breath. I can smell a little bit of clutch, a lot of brake. Didn't really smell tires that go around, but I wasn't really trying to stick around and smell it. But it's getting dark. I don't know how well you guys can see. 5% window tint in here is a bit much, but this gets me excited about doing this engine swap on this thing. It's crazy. I mean, obviously not the most power that this truck can push. Like I said, there's a lot faster 24 valves out there. A lot. This thing is like a turd. Speaking of which, something's squeaking now. That's brakes. But I also hear some squeaking, maybe from the motor. Ah, boy. Oh well. It'll be alright. We can get it fixed. One more. Okay. And oh, stop for the driveway. Here we go. I can smell clutch. Man, the clutch is not happy. Oh, maybe that's what the squealing is, the clutch. I mean, it's got a triple disc, south bin, not a triple disc, I don't even know, but south bin dual disc now. It's been so long since Greg and I done that. All right, we're gonna let her idle for a minute, pull down, check everything out under the hood, and get back to it. Make sure nothing's smoking or not like I can see much. My little factory light. Man, I cannot wait. Holy moly. So I'm still debating on whether or not I want to keep this thing and possibly common rail swap it in the future. It'll be long down the road. You know, funds are a big thing. Otherwise, I would just put a common rail in the Jeep. So I don't know. And then part of me wants to just sell it as a roller, just get rid of it after I get the motor and transfer case out. So I don't know. We'll have to see where it goes. Time will tell. So anyways, I'm gonna put you guys down for a minute and let this thing cool down. I've got to work on getting the Jeep out. Probably gonna go ahead and drain the coolant out here so I don't make a terrible mess in my garage. I'm not gonna drain it on the gravel. I'm gonna get a pan, obviously, but I'm probably gonna go ahead and pull a couple of the boots off. I might actually go ahead and get the radiator out here, so that way, in case if we do have any mishaps, it's in the rocks and not in my garage. So I'll get back to you guys here in just a little bit.